Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing some car new bit wax on my truck here. So I got the gold class Meguiars. Here it is right here. Gold class with Meguiars Carnuba Plus. It doesn't look too bad, honestly. It's not too bad, but there is scratches, a few of them here and there. Mainly in the sunlight you can see it all, but right now you can't really see anything. Just gonna use it again because I haven't waxed my truck in a while, so I thought I'd just do a YouTube video on it. I've seen that a lot of people want to compare and get suggestions from these kind of waxes, and personally I think they look pretty good. I got a pretty good light right here in the back to show you what it's gonna, everything's gonna go on here. And yeah, what we're going to do here is just put a little bit of on there at first. I just swirl it around. I've seen people, they just dap it on there, but I don't like doing that. I like to actually rub it in there. I think it actually works pretty good. You let it dry for a couple and it comes out pretty shiny. You run out and just put more on there. Don't put too much, just a light coat. Spread it out, make it look real good. You put too much on there, you got to wait a while. Probably have to wipe some off of there because it gets a little too pasty on there and it takes too long to do it, especially at night. I would recommend doing this in a shady place or on a not so hot day, because this can really dry up quick and make it really chalky if it starts drying up. Right now I'm doing it at night, so drying process should be a little bit nicer. And now we're gonna let it dry. Well, that's drying right there. Gonna do a little bit of a look at this door right here, my driver door. As you can see, you can't really see it, but there are scratches in there. Right there, what's going on? That one's drying still, this one's still drying. About to wipe it off, so I'll show you guys that right now. All right guys, so now we're gonna wipe it off. Get it real nice here. Make sure you get all of it off. If you don't get all of it off, then you can leave streaks on it. Not really that much of a big deal, but you leave streaks in it and it looks streaky. So down here. Because it is a little cooler outside right now, I think the temperature's around 60, high 60s. It's not drying. It's drying a little slower, so had to, wipe it a little bit more. But if you're doing it in the afternoon, I would recommend doing it in a enclosed place or a garage, something like that, because the aftermath of this looks pretty good. So guys, this is after. Looks pretty good. It also makes your flake, if you have flake, pop out a lot more. Everything looks pretty good. Scratches are less noticeable now. Everything got a lot nicer. Here's a little view of the mirror look there. Looks pretty good. We're gonna move on to this door right here and give you guys a look at that. All right, so we're gonna move on to this door right here. I'm gonna just go ahead and just do it off camera, paste everything on there. I'll give you guys a update on what's going on after I got it all pasted up. All right, so we got the whole door pasted up right here. Did it all the way up to the pillars. Just did that one right there. I'm not gonna do that one yet. Got the door handle right all the way down here. Make sure if you have any decals, do not get on your decals. If you get on your decals, they're gonna look all chalky in here. But I'm gonna let this dry up real quick. Okay, so we got it all done. The whole door, got it all done. Hey guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do this door right here. Just gonna go to paste it on there, and I end up doing a slow-mo or a fast forward for you guys. All right, guys, so I got that whole door done. Let it sit, did all that stuff to it, pasted it, everything. Scratches are a lot less visible now. It's dark right now, so tomorrow I'm gonna do a water test. I'm gonna spray water on it, show you guys how it looks. So this bedside over here I haven't done, but I've done this whole side over here. I'm gonna do that off camera, get that done, and tomorrow I'll have you know, the comparison, get that done, and show you guys what's going on with it. All right, guys, so it's the next day here. Just got to the shop and just got some time to do this. It is a little windy, so bear with me. It's pretty windy out here. There's a storm about to come through. Just trying to get this done before that storm comes through, and just wanted to show you guys a water test here. All right, so this is the door that I did right here. This whole door's been done. That bedside right there has not been done yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray this door right here. That's the door that was done. This bedside was not done. I didn't get time to do it, but I will do it later on. So we're gonna spray this one. So you can see it just beads right off. I mean, everything. Tight little beads. Really nice looking. Looks really good. And now we'll do the bedside. See, it just doesn't really get off of there. It doesn't bead up like it does over here. Over here, just real nice beads. Just wipe it off real nice. This over here, you know, had to go a couple passes on it before you get everything off. But like I said, I mean, really just beads off really quick, really nice. You know, I really do like how it works. There are other ones out there, and I'll probably be doing a video here soon on those. Meguiars based ones, they probably have, I think, around probably 4 other ones, maybe 3 other ones that come in the same little package here. I'll probably be doing a video on the liquid waxes too, just spray on waxes, comparing that with other stuff there. But overall, I really do like how it comes out. Makes it really slick. Makes your paint pop a little bit more. You know, gives it all that, you know, depth in the paint too. Really does show. It really does get rid of the scratches that are there. If you have scratches, it you know, it hides them, puts them away. There are more expensive waxes that are out there. They can get pretty expensive, pretty pricey. But I got this one. I really do like this one. This one's in the price range of, I think, under $20. I'm not sure how much it was exactly, but it was under $20. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on here. I'll probably be doing a video on the whole wax, you know, different waxes another day. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you guys for all the support that's been going on. Thank you.